Okay, so Max and Spike are eating. I don't know if they're gonna do it anymore, but they were doing it. Spike goes up to the top with a little ring and knocks the food out of it. But I think they might be done. I don't know. Oh, maybe not. We'll see. Nope, he's gonna go. He like jumps out of the water. It's so funny. He's so cute. And I'm taking this from the end view of my tank in case anybody's wondering why it looks so small. But that's Max right there. Spike is the other one. Spike's the one that does all the cool stuff. Max just kind of hangs back. Of course, Spike's also a lot older than Max is. So, I think that's why Spike's in control. One of these days I'm like so scared he's gonna jump out and hit the lid. Because I had to lower the water, if you can see, lower the water level so that he quit hitting his head. Or his mouth. I don't know. They're so cute. I love them. They're my BBs. Alright, well I just had to show that because I've got them trained so they know where their food is and stuff, and then Spike decided to start doing that one on his own, so. Oh, there they go. They're gonna start their stuff. They get along, but then even though they each have their own little... Ooh, there, he's letting me get close without going away. They each have their own little cave, but they always stay in the one cave together, and then they fight, well not fight, but they spin around each other of who's gonna stay, and they try to push each other out. For some reason, when Spike sees my eyes, that's when he turns around and runs away. But as long as he doesn't see my eyeballs, he's fine. It's just when he sees my eyes, he's like, hey, she sees me. There you go. I don't know if I can... I don't know. See, that's the little thing. I don't know if he's going to go up anymore or not. Oh, maybe. There's no more food in there. He knocked it all out. Yeah, he's done. He sees my eyes. Oh, let's see. You knocked the pellets out. Oh, yeah, he sees me. Okay, well, I just thought that was funny and cute. So I figured I'd make a little video of my boys. Oh, maybe he'll do it. I wish he would do it when I... Oh, there he goes. He always misses, though. Unless I put flakes and pellets. Oh, we got one. Okay, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.